Hi, this is Tracey Richardson from Teaching Lean Incorporated and the co-author of the Toyota Engagement Equation. And we're very excited to share that it's been translated in Polish, as you can see. So, we thought about the book and we wanted to really tell our 30-year journey with Toyota Motor Manufacturing, how we started, the cultural side of it, and from a very early age for both Ernie and myself, what it was like to be inside that culture and learn from kind of a ground zero perspective. And so, going through the hiring process, they were looking for specific competencies, and so they looked at us in a futuristic way to say, what can we do to mold these folks later, maybe 5 to 10 to 15 years to be our future leaders in the organization. And so as we're out in all different, industries that we teach in, it could be manufacturing, it could be service industry, it could be healthcare, just all the different genres out there that we teach in, we get a common question, what was it like to work inside of Toyota and the culture? And so we created kind of an equation, if you will, that we talk about in the book. And it kind of goes through, the replication. How does somebody take that thinking and replicate it into their world? And so the GTS to the 6 plus E cubed equals DNA is what the inside from around chapters 4 to chapters 10 in the book is describing. So the go to see, the grasp the situation, get to solution, get to standardization, get to sustainability, and then get to stretch goal. That was the internal thinking that we were doing on a daily basis. Now what that created was the E cubed, everybody, every day, engaged in that thinking. So if that was kind of the backdrop of our culture from a problem-solving perspective and a leadership perspective, think of it as leadership standardized work. What leaders and from all different levels of the organization, from our CEO, our president, all the way down to the PPO, the primary process owner, what were they doing? And so to take folks on our learning journey and to also share how to translate that cultural thinking was kind of the DNA, which is what we call the discipline and accountability to be accountable for that thinking each day in our daily actions as a leader, the questions that we ask. And so the book covers a lot of information about how we had a lot of failures in the beginning, our trials and tribulations, and our successes that allowed us to be able to translate this into other industries. So you don't really have to make cars. We like to say Toyota is a company that develops people that just happen to make cars, and that can be for any organization. So we hope you enjoy the book. It really, takes you and walks you along with us on our journey. And so we hope you enjoy it. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.